Hi and welcome to Trackplan. In this video I will discuss our Manager app and how it can help management and staff in your organisation view and complete their jobs. Access to the app can be given within the Users module in the main application. The app is highly configurable, where certain features and functions can be turned on or off. Sites, assets and jobs can be restricted so the user can only view what they are permitted to see. The Manager app is a web-based app, so you access it using a URL in a web browser. Once opened for the first time on any Android or Apple device, you will be prompted to add it to your home screen. It will then become an app icon on your device. The app also works offline and will sync all data when back in Signal. Once logged in, the menu button in the top left-hand corner will reveal all modules available to the user. The job list, the contractor or resource list, the asset list, the site list, forms available to them in the form library. We can create a new reactive job, or we can view, decline or approve requests. Here in the request list, we can see that request number 40 is still pending. We can click on this now and approve this request into a reactive job. All fields will be pre-populated. We create the reactive job. Now that job number 40 has been created, the user can view all details on the job card. They can add any forms that are available to them. They can add any photos. These photos can then be edited. They can attach any documents, select assets, or add a note. Most importantly, users on the Manager app can assign or reassign jobs to other users. They can also choose single or multiple resources and instruct the resources to do the work. Back in the jobs list, we can see that job number 40 has been instructed and is due today. I hope this video was useful to you and thank you for watching.